Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just shared 6 Christmas ornaments that you can make your own. And if you go to Corel Draw File Share, they're on my Facebook page. And there's 6 from a Christmas tree, a hobby horse, a rocking horse, a dog paw, an elf, a snowflake, and a gingerbread man. So what I suggest when you do it, Control D and make a duplicate so you will have them forever. You're going to change this thing quite a bit and you can't get it back or very easily. Then just take a name and type it out. I like all capitals because it makes it easier. Object, convert it to a curve, left click, right click on red, make sure it's a hairline. Bring it into your drawing. And this is where you're going to want the nudge factor set pretty low so you can nudge it down ever so slightly. You want all of the features inside this line. But the A is a little short up top. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to break. But just to make it a little bit stronger, you could grab those 2 nodes and actually nudge them up. Now, it can't get any easier than this. Just select the whole thing and hit the weld tool. And that's what your Christmas ornament is going to look like. So all you have to do is put the name in there. And I just noticed this one's a little bit skewed. So you'd make it a little bit taller, make it 3.8. Well, had my ratio locked. Make this 3.6 and it'll be a little rounder. But you can look at that. Feel free to use them. I basically redrew them off somebody else's ideas. I just changed them up. I got my own rocking horse off the internet, a paw, an elf, a snowflake, and a gingerbread man. And just made it really simple to just add names into those 2 lines. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.